Hello guys. Welcome back to Coder K. Here in this video I am going to explain about how to download and install Kali Linux in your Windows system. To install Kali Linux, please watch till the end of the video. And it is also same for all another operating system like Mac and Ubuntu. Just follow the steps which I am going to show. By that steps you will get best Kali Linux and most useful hacking environment. Let's begin. First step is to download Kali Linux. You can download Kali Linux from 3 websites, which are best and also very secure ones. All these 3 websites are in below description. First website is Kali.org, which is the original website at where you get the Windows 64-bit, 34-bit operating system images and also Mac and Linux images also. Just clicking on the installer or torrent your file will be downloaded. Second website is offensivesecurity.com. Here you get an over file. By clicking on over or torrent, your Kali Linux over file will be downloaded. Before download choose 64 or 32-bit. Last and most recommended website is zsecurity.org. Here you can get Kali Linux 64-bit or Kali Linux 32-bit. Choose as your operating system as belong to. By clicking on link 1 or link 2 or torrent your file will be downloaded. As for this video I download from zsecurity website, as my Windows is 64-bit. I used to download the file from Kali 2021 by 64-bit and link 2. It take a bit time to download. Now our main software is VirtualBox. As your convenience I also gave the website link in the below. You can click there and go to the virtualbox.org website. Click on the download VirtualBox 6.1. You will redirect to next page, where you can download VirtualBox for Windows, Mac, Linux and other operating system also. After that you should wanted to download the source code. As for the video I already downloaded all the files and softwares. Now I will show how to install the VirtualBox and also Kali Linux in the VirtualBox. Just follow the steps. Oops, sorry for the error guys. Okay, now our VirtualBox is downloaded. And it's time for source code. Just accept the source code will be installed. Now it is time to have Kali in VirtualBox. Open the download file of Kali from the import and click OK button. We can change the setting after the download. Now change the settings of our Kali Linux. By giving the RAM of 4 GB and 4 processors, we can run our Kali smoothly. Now we should change our network to NAT. Changing network is very important. Now our Kali is ready to start. Click on Start at upside. Username as root and password as store. We have successfully installed Kali in our Windows. Thank you for watching this video. Did you want my folder? You can also download from my link. To know more about hacking and also other programming knowledge, please visit our website, Kaliorg, which is in the below description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you get any informative knowledge on hacking, please share it with your friends. To watch more and more videos like this, please subscribe to the Kaliorg channel and click on the bell icon. Okay friends, bye and have a great day.